Want to know how to see your leaderboards or where you are ranked with your friends or globally in Coin Master? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Coin Master game, and once you've opened up, you should be on this interface right here. So we have also created similar videos and various videos regarding Coin Master and how to get through them. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Coin Master game, and on the top right side you should be seeing this three hamburger icon right here. Just simply click that, and it's also your account and your account name. So what you can do is just simply select leaderboard right here, and now once you selected leaderboard, you should be seeing who is at first. So you can see the top 3 ones, and you can scroll down until you see yours as well. So you can also filter through country and global, just like this right here. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more videos. See you in the next one.